And we're heading straight to Innova. This is the Innova XE. Tara. 1,381,000 as of August 2025. And wag na natin tong patagalin. Pumasok agad tayo. Alright, so we're gonna start here. Side mirror, meron tong turning signal lamp. Ganda. Then wheel cover tayo, steel rim. Very ideal yan, maganda kung in the future magpapalit din kayo ng mugs. Yeah. So pasok tayo agad. So this is the design of the door. Meron tayong input ng key dito. And there. It's the look of the internal panel. So this is the control panel for the window and central lock ng window, of course. This is the adjustment for the side mirror. So ang gagawin mo dyan is kung gusto mo yung left na side mirror, yan, then this will be adjusted. Same goes at the other side. There. So meron tayong isang cup holder. Then dito, extended. Dito yung hawakan niya. Yan, kung i-open mo. So, yan ang interior niya. Tara, isa-isahin natin inside. So, dito, oh, max na to ah. So, nandito yung pang-open ng gas. Under. Then, this one is for the hood. So, ito, if you are wondering about this panel, abang to. So, in the future, if you want to upgrade your Innova, kunyari, lagyan yung fog light. One example for that is the fog lights. Pwede nyo ilagay yung switch dito. Yan. So, meron tayong cup holder here. So, this is the design ng aircon vent niya. Okay. So, for Innova XE, analog ang design natin. Yan. Okay. Also, analog design for the gas gauge. So, at the steering wheel, meron tayong adjustment ng volume. Yan. Skip. Meron tayong mode. By the way, itong mode, this is the shortcut here para dito sa stereo. So, at least nakafocus ka sa road while changing the station. Yan. Nang hindi ka humahawak dito. Alright? So, meron tayong pang answer call and pang drop ng call. Okay. Meron tayong ditong voice command. Yan. Ito yung design niya. So, nandito yung busina. So, moving on. Ito yung design ng stereo niya. Okay. Diyan yung hazard. Ito yung adjustment ng time. So, dito yung time niya. So, ito yung itsura ng aircon niya. Yan, naiikot ka na. Then, ito yung flow ng hangin. Yan. And this one is the thermostat. Yan. And ito naman is the air intake or for the circulation of the air. Yan. Ito, abang din to. This one. And dito sa ilalim ng stereo is this. Meron tayong defogger. Yan. And meron tayong eco mode and power mode. So dyan in power mode, mas magiging aggressive yung engine. So it means pang mabilisan yan. When it comes to dito naman sa eco mode is gagawin itong vehicle is magtipid ng gas. Then this one is the traction. So, yan ang itsura niya. Alright. So, moving on dito tayo sa steering. Sorry, sa shift knob. So, hindi lang nakakabit yung shift knob right now. Then, meron tayong parking, reverse, neutral. Then, meron tayong plus minus. Yan, Tiptronic. So, yan, maganda yan. If ever na mismo mag-manual transmission, or if ever nasa tayo, mga paakyat na terrain. So, ideal yan, pwede ka mag plus minus para makapag low gear ka. Alright? So, ito naman is meron tayong cup holder here. Then, meron tayong side pocket dito. Yan, center pocket. Yan. Alright. So, dito naman sa passenger side is meron tayong additional here. Yan. So, aside from glove box, meron tayo sa ibabaw. Yan. So, dalawa yan, ah. Then, meron din yang cup holder, of course. Yan. Okay. So, yan ang design ng aircon vent niya for the second row. So, dito naman sa headliner is ito ang design. May lagayan tayo ng salamin. Ganda. Pwede na ilagay yung cards nyo dyan. RFID. Then, ito yung yan, cabin light. So, off. Then, meron tayong door function. So, umiilaw yan every time na merong mga doors na naka-open. Just to remind you na meron pala nakabukas na pinto. So, off na natin, ah. Check natin. Ito yung visor niya. Then, dito naman is driver visor side. Alright? So, nice! So, dito pala, I forgot to mention, under, meron tayong power supply. Yan. Ganda, pwedeng kabitan ng dashcam or charger. Nice. So, dyan, meron tayong nilagay ng coins or phone. Yan. And, lipat na tayo sa second row, guys. And going inside the second row. So, this is the design for the second row. Of course, almost the same. Whereas, dun naman sa driver side is merong control panel for the windows. So, yan. Yan yung handle niya. Door function. Window adjust. Then, meron pa rin cup holder. And also extended siya. So, ito fabric ang design nito. And this one is plastic. So, ito ang second row niya. By the way, dito sa middle is meron tayong power supply. Yan. Yan. Pwede kayo mag-charge, of course. Dito, pwede maglagay ng coins or phone. So, dito rin meron tayong sabitan. So, yan. Pwede mo yan i-retract. Ayan. Para hindi siya gabal pag nakaupo ka. And also, dito sa left side. So, kabilaan siya. This one and this one. So, yan. Nandito yung aircon vent natin. Ito yung design ng aircon vent niya. Yan. So, yan. Yung labasan ng aircon. Then, also here sa third row. Yan. Yan yung labasan ng hangin. Yan. So, yan ang design ng second row. Kita nyo? Yan. So, meron pa rin tong cabin light, of course, dito sa middle, Yan, para makita nyo yung in case may nalaglag kayong gamit. So, yan yung central light. Yan. Cabin. So, lipat tayo sa third row. So, ito yung design niya. So, kapag finold naman, so yan dalawa, kung meron kayong malaking cargo, ganyan design niya. Right? So, ito, meron tayong pangatlong headrest. So, by the way, dito naman nakalagay yung tools niya. Yan, iniikot lang to, then hahatake mo. Nasa loob nito yung tools mo. The jack, ayan. So, dyan siya tinatago. So, yan yung design niya. Kamukha siya ng Fortuner na tinutupi pa side. So, yan. So, yan na. Nakasabit yan dito. Ayan, ayan yung design niya. See? Ayan. And, ayan. Ito yung na-mention kong third na headrest. Dito may kakabit. Ayan. So, yan. Ayos. Nice. So, dito, ang design pa rin niya is this one. Kapag i-retract nyo yung spare tire, dito siya sinusungkit. Okay? So, ito yung spare tire niya sa ilalim. Yan. Right? So this one for the Innova XE, meron kang backing camera. Yan. Nice. So pwede nyo lang ito pakabitan ng backing sonar since wala pa siyang backing sonar. Yan. Right. Then ang pag-open itong tailgate is magnetic. So yan. Push mo lang yan, mag-open na to. Then meron tayong third na stop lamp here. Yan, dito sa spoiler niya. Yan So, ang ganda to, meron siyang spoiler. Then shark fin na ang antena niya. Nice. So, meron pang higher variant for this Innova. The Innova G and Innova V, as in Victory. So, ang the best dito sa Innova is lahat kaya na nitong dalhin. So, usually yan yung mga tanong Tatanungin kapag kaya bang umakyat ng Baguio niyan? Oo. Kaya bang umakyat ng Batangas niyan? Of course, kayang-kaya. So, yan madalas na tanong sa mga sasakyan. And, ang engine nito is what? 2.8? Sobrang enough na yan. So, teka, nakalimutan ko. Ikutan muna pala natin to. Then, so, by the way, itong Innova XE, wala tong fog lights. See? Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ayan, so walang fog lights dito. Pwede naman yung palagyan. Pero, hindi naman yan lagi nagagamit Usually yan, pagpunta tayong Baguio or Tagaytay. Pero, pwede nyo palagyan. So, and design ng headlight niya, of course. So, it's the grill. And so, by the way, hindi ko kayo din-discourage sa Innova G or V. Pero, konti lang madalas ang production yan. Right. So that's it. That's the Innova XE. So guys, meron kaming trade-in dito. Just in case interested kayo i-trade-in, pwede nyo gamitin yung pang down. Most brands tinatanggap namin. Pwedeng isakto na natin yung computation dun sa amount ng unit nyo para wala na kayo ka-cash out. So bisita lang kayo dito. Right? Stop recording. Oh, teka. Munti ko na pala ito makalimutan. Meron tayong magandang promo here for the Tamaraw units. Is the zero interest. Yan. 30% DP or 50% down payment. Zero interest. Kung ayaw nyo maniwala, di wag. Pero, yeah, that's the promo for this August. So, I don't know kung may extend dyan, pero keep in touch. Tumawag kayo. Meron akong Viber and WhatsApp. So, yeah. Thank you. Stop recording.